How to use and pay with Paysafe on Fortnite. So basically how you can use this card on Fortnite, right? So it's very easy. You have to just go to Google and search for Epic Games. So let me just show you. I'll just go back here, go to Google, search for Epic Games. You will get this website of Epic Games here. And this is basically some kind of relation, the publisher of Fortnite, right? And here on the top right you will see a profile icon. You have to click on it. So if you're playing Fortnite, then definitely you would have a Epic account. If you don't have an Epic account, then you have to make it, because whether if you're buying the game or whether if you're playing the game, you will definitely need this Epic ID, right? So let me just log in just few seconds. So guys, once you have logged in, again on the top right you will see this your profile icon. Here you have to just click on it, and basically once you take your mouse there, you will see a lot of option here. You have to go to the account option here. So once you are into your account option, here you will get this option of payment management on the left side. Click on the payment management, and basically you can see here I don't have any payment management, right? Now here to add your Paysafe card, now here you have to click on credit card option, and basically they accept the Paysafe card. So you have to enter your card number, expiration date, and the CVV and the state, right? So whichever state you are into your country, and then you have to click on save billing account, and then it's successfully, if it's successful, of course it will be, then you will be automatically, it will get interlinked to your Fortnite. And whenever you want to purchase something in the Fortnite skin or something, or some weapons or anything, definitely you will be able to use your Paysafe card, right? So this is really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.